Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make great crab cakes right at home. Try this recipe and you'll be proud of how quick and great these come out every single time. So let's get started. And for the crab cake itself, I'm gonna start by adding half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, about half a tablespoon. I add a little bit of sriracha sauce, 1 egg, a little bit of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. And a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. A mix of spices that consists of black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne, and I mix. Now the crab cake mix is ready. All I have to do is add the fresh lump crab, and I leave it in big chunks. I don't mess with it too much. I mix gently. And then I'm gonna work on the breading. 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. I like panko crumbs because they don't absorb as much oil and it stays more crispy. I spice it with the spice mix I used earlier, the cayenne, the paprika, the black pepper, and I add a little bit of salt. I mix, and gently I form the crab cakes into balls and cover with the panko crumbs. And you can refrigerate the crab mix before forming the balls and adding the panko crumbs. It will make your life easier. I didn't do that this time. And I'm gonna make a simple sauce to go on the side of the crab cakes. Half a cup of mayo, a little bit of chipotle, chili powder, lemon juice, sriracha sauce, some capers, some garlic, and I mix. As simple as that. I'm gonna cook the crab cakes using butter, a generous amount of butter, on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until golden and crispy. I flip it very gently and I serve with a little bit of guacamole or a little bit of avocado and tomatoes, whatever salad you like. Have a little bit of the sauce or a little bit of lemon juice and enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. The links are gonna be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!